These are always super cool to find. Broken pottery from the Indian days. I always find these in the cedars. Check this out. It's a broken arrowhead. Wow. Points almost perfectly intact. Holy cow. This is gonna be number 3 that I've found in my lifetime. It's pretty major, honestly. Sadly, it's broken. So I found 2 broken ones and then one that's kind of dullish, but this is awesome. We're still looking for sheds. Here we are back at the house. Give you guys a close-up view. How's it going? We have just started shed hunting today. This is a new area, same unit as where I've been finding the sheds. I'm just about 1,000 feet lower in elevation. And I'm hoping we can find the browns today. But we're not gonna stop until we find something. Let's go. So this is a good example of what I'm looking for. Cuts like this that are pretty steep down. And these bulls like to climb up over these ridges and take these cuts down. A lot of times they'll be running or trotting and they'll fall right off their heads. I like doing this because even though the dirt road's literally like 300 feet, a lot of the times people don't stop and do what I do. And they'll pass up some nice looking sheds a lot of the times. Saves me some miles without walking, and I can just drive some dirt roads, scout some new areas. But they're in these cuts, so if you guys want to try it out someday, you'll probably run into a few. So I was just walking down through here. Almost got tunnel vision. Something caught the corner of my eye, and I was like, oh, and there it is. We made it out here in the burn. We finally came across what looks like to be my first brown of the year. Well, no. We already have 2 chalk sheds. So I've decided instead of carrying all of this chalk weight, I'm just gonna leave it right here. I just GPS'd it and we'll have to come back to it, but no big deal. So here we are back at the stash. I got my food, blanket, beanie, and the chalk, deadhead. Setting it back up. I keep moving camp, but we'll get situated soon here. Looking for the browns. Can't find browns. Hopefully there's some browns here. Looking for the browns. So just an interlude to the shed hunting video. I'm just getting to my spot where I built a water hole. It actually has a rain catch on it. Actually collected a good amount of rain, so we're gonna add some more water to it at this point. I got my 5-gallon bucket and carrying those Gila trout. I should be able to do this just fine. It's only about a little over a quarter mile in. We'll kind of regulate how long it takes for it to dry up. It's a 50-gallon drum, but it's split in half long ways. This really fresh elk poop is probably, I'm only about 500 feet from my water hole. So let's put some water in it. That looks like bull poop. It's pretty big. All these big boulders here. It's not dug in all the way because I kept running into big rocks. It looks like it's holding up though. It's already been through that rainstorm. Didn't get washed out. So like the rain also travels down this slope here. I guess if it's high enough it'll catch and go into here. But there's a little lip. That's all rainwater. And I'm about to put the 5-gallon in. It should fill it up pretty good. But you can kind of see where it had filled up already with that dust line right there. You can see we're now back at that line And it could probably take another 5-gallon bucket to fill it up to the top here. As I was editing the shed video that's going to be tagged along with this one here, I had realized that I had only filmed like a 2-second clip of the ground when I was picking up that deadhead. And so that's why it's kind of like a splitty video, honestly. I thought that I was filming it. I didn't check it. This water hole is very new. It's only been here for a couple weeks. And right now it's the day after Memorial Day. So it didn't get found.